Well, go on, viewers and subscribers. You know, it's me, One Love Africa, and I'm back on the channel again, and I'm back again with a host. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Mary Gitai. I'm a journalist, and I just had Ricardo on my page, on my channel. So
True.
you guys go and check out that video where he teaches
Yeah,
us how
man.
to cook and Jamaican cuisine. So yes, and now, you know, I'm coming to his channel to
Yes,
say
so
hi
now,
to you guys.
yes, so she introduced herself. Big up yourself, Mary. Thank you for coming.
Bombo clat.
She says, say that, baby.
I'm learning.
Shall learn. Yeah, so she done run Ricardo. Good influence, bad influence. You can call it any way you want to call it. So Mary, you just tried Jamaican jerk chicken wings. How was it?
Tender. Very flavorful. I can say this, yeah. When I compare, like I just had the jack chicken wings, right?
Yeah.
So what I can say is the flavor goes inside the chicken. You know, a lot of
Even in
fast
the bone.
food, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Because the fast food here, I feel like all of it, like the flavor is just on the skin, and then once you start going deep into the chicken,
bland.
hey.
But ours, the flavor. So
Yeah.
from 1 to 10.
No, 10-10. That was a 10-10
10-10.
experience for me.
10-10 experience, the first time she's actually having Jamaican jerk chicken wing.
Yeah.
And the jerk chicken.
Yeah.
So, and
You're
the
actually
smoke,
the first Jamaican man, woman,
See?
person I've ever
and the
met.
first Jamaican she met in her life. And actually, I'm the first Jamaican that actually cooked for her. What do you think about the oxtail?
Oh my goodness, guys. So I had the oxtail like a few
Yeah.
days ago.
Yeah?
And let me tell you, it was amazing.
She
Full
loved
of
it.
the bone tender. and
Wicked.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, 'cause when we cook our meat, the way I cook my meat, we do it in Jamaica. Not just me, but Jamaicans overall. The bone is supposed to get separate from the meat. So when you're cooking oxtail, you're supposed to take a fork or even a spoon or flash the oxtail. Just flash the meat. And you see the meat flash one side and the bone remain in your hand. That's
Fun
how we do
fact,
it.
That
Yeah,
was
man.
the first time that I've actually had meat on the bone and didn't use my hands. Guys,
Straight.
I'm
For real, she
super-
wasn't using her hand. I was
am-
saying, you gotta use. And she said, no, I don't need to use my hand for this.
Yes.
So I was using the fork and
I
just
was like,
chink.
I'm like, oh my God, they need to bring this on every date that I go to, because, you know, I be eating with my hands. You know, the African in me cannot just handle.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to struggle and then the meat goes to the other table.
True, you don't want that. You don't
No,
want that.
I don't
You know,
want that
sometimes
kind of
eating with the meat is
embarrassment.
so hard. When you're biting the meat, it's stuck up in your teeth and all these places. Yeah, you have to use the toothpick and pick it out. But
Yeah.
when I cook, or when you come and eat our food, you can eat the meat, you don't even need toothpick. Straight up. And you experience it for yourself.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I honestly, I don't
plantain,
even
the rice
know.
and peas.
Yeah.
You had rice and peas that night, right?
Rice and peas, plantain also,
Yeah, man.
and I also had now the oxtail.
And I'll give her some jerk sausage to sample.
Yes, and yeah, we also had
Yeah,
some
man.
jack sausage.
Yeah, man. So,
I
that'll
don't
be a
even
good
know
thing,
why
man.
there was no Jamaican restaurant in Kenya. You guys.
True.
Why?
The only Jamaican restaurant that's here right now is Jamrock.
Yeah,
And-
and that is where I tasted the food from, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did it for her.
Yeah.
And actually, I'm coming out to a Jamaican restaurant soon. So look out for our for next branch, Jammins and Yammins. We're going to be there. Yeah, man.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's
man.
a bomb ass name.
Yeah, man. Jammins and Yammins. You jam
You
and you're
jam
eating.
and you
Say
eat.
jam to the music, and you eat the food. Jammins and Yammins. You know, still
Bombo
jam rock.
clad.
Boom! We're there. So today we have some hot things to discuss. So first thing I want to say,
Yeah.
oh, she spent the day with me working out and stuff like that. So what do you think about the gym? Cause she was trying to run from the gym, you know. She was actually like screeching away, saying, "Oi, come here, workout." So what do you think about the workout you did today?
Wow.
Was it hard? Was it like rough?
Yes, because first of all, my knees were making all them noises.
Oh,
like
our
you
knees was
could hear.
creaking.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
but
was
the-
like,
But you see, that's the thing. Our bone is seasoned. Our bone is seasoned up. So she hasn't been bending her knees or working out or nothing in a long time.
Yeah.
So she go back to the gym and it's something she used to do before.
Yeah.
So this what she's doing now is nothing new to her. You know, so
yeah,
memory
but
muscle.
I was like so shocked that because before I would do like squats and lunges and all those things, which is only like 3 months ago, right?
True.
And then I was trying to work out today. You
Yeah.
guys, my back,
was
my
crazy.
knees, I was so embarrassed because I thought everybody could hear my knees.
Well, maybe everybody could have heard some, you know. But it's a good vibe. It was a good vibes and it was a good
Yeah.
vibes in the gym. we and the other guys and the ladies that was working out,
Yeah.
and she was making friends at the same time. And actually, she was doing some good workout.
Yeah.
A gym instructor was there. I was there as a gym person. You know, so we did a good workout, me and her together.
Yeah.
You see, I was actually shooting, and she was there doing her camera thing. And I said, yo, if I'm working out, you gotta work out too, because she already come prepared.
Yeah.
So, viewers,
Yeah.
let's get into it.
We were shooting an episode of
Yeah, man.
from my channel, so you guys have to go and see
Oh.
it from that side.
Wait, she's
Yeah.
actually a journalist.
Yeah, so we were
Yeah.
shooting for my video, so that's how we
Yes.
ended up working out.
That's how it ended up working out. Yeah, man. So we plan a day with Ricardo. So a day with Chef Ricardo.
Yeah.
And most of you guys already know about me. Some of you guys don't know about me. But more to me, we come out and what you see is what you get. Straight up. So anyways, let's get into the hot topic. Topic. Five top.
Scary.
No, so not so scary.
Eh?
No, man, let's
It's
get
not
into
like
it.
Fire question.
No, man, a fire question because topic number one. What's going on now in Kenya is horrible about the ladies and the females.
Oh,
like,
femicide.
yeah, what's going on? Like, I see like 100, well, let's say 100 women dead, die. So 100
Killed.
women were killed.
Yeah.
100 ladies, like females in
Yeah.
Kenya, has been killed in the space of 2024, right?
Yeah, it's true.
And the year's not
I
even
think
finished.
it's even more. You know, it's just
I think it's
that
more.
Some people are just not reported, and I would say this even before I say anything about Kenya. And I saw a post on it online, and they were like, show us a country that is free of femicide, and they were like 0 in the whole world. There is always somewhere where a woman is being killed by.
True.
And
It's a worldwide thing.
yes,
It's not just
and
Kenya.
the worst thing was because of how it has gotten rampant in Kenya. So there's all these studies that are being done, and they realize that the number of people that are killed by their loved ones is the highest.
It's the highest.
very
The loved
hard.
ones. Yeah, man, you have
Yes.
some crazy man over here. I'm not calling a religion, but you have some crazy guys over here. Women, be careful who you're dating.
Yes, because
Yes.
most of the women are killed by their husbands, followed by their lovers.
Yes.
You know, followed by now the jealous people business, blah blah blah, going down.
Yes.
Meaning, and the people who are killed by their lovers or
Mm-hmm.
husbands, it's almost like 70%. Isn't that crazy?
Wow, 70, almost 70%?
Yes. So
by their lovers.
If you don't kill the person that you're married to or dating, you reduce it by almost 70%. How crazy
Wow.
is that?
It's the case that, wait, first, what the government is doing about this? Okay, we skip that one. We skip that one.
Honestly,
I understand.
nothing. I would really say that they are not doing anything. The other day was a march.
I saw the march, the protest.
Yesterday was
it was tear gassing the ladies.
Yes,
They were like
and-
beating them. We
Yeah.
said, what? It's a peaceful protest. Was
peaceful protest,
Yeah, it was a
right?
peaceful protest.
Which is a constitutional right that people should have to peacefully protest. But
Yes.
you see, you're trying to give people fear so that they
Yes.
don't come out and say
In
this
numbers.
is not right. We need these things investigated and
But-
people brought to
All right.
justice.
If you were the government, what would you do in this case, in this sense? How can you prevent this from happening? Because it's hard
You're
for the government to
asking the
control.
wrong person, because for me, let me tell you, anybody
Yeah.
caught, because I feel like when you know the consequence is greater than you can imagine, you will not do the crime. You
True,
understand?
true,
So if
true.
you know that if you get caught raping, sexually abusing, these things like that,
Yes.
the sentence is about 20 to 40 years life in prison, and if you rape somebody, like, you get your things cut,
Oh.
so that you never have to do it again.
True, but what if people been telling lies? What if no one has been raping no one, but they've been telling
That's
lies?
what I said. Once it's investigated and it's
Okay.
proven, because there is cases where somebody is proven, everybody knows that he's doing this, and then
Yes,
they go free.
yes, that's different thing.
You know, so if you're caught, you're proven that you did this, there needs
Yeah.
to be very serious, like,
True.
consequence, so that
Consequence
before
to
you
take place,
even
yes.
think about it,
You
right?
know about the consequences to think about first.
Yes.
True. So, as I said, the government, I don't know how the government is going to be, how is he going to handle this one?
Yeah.
Like, what can he do? What can he prevent from happening?
Yeah, we need harsher laws.
Maybe the harsher laws, but the laws here, I think
Yeah.
they're okay, you know, because
Yeah.
there's some crucial laws here. If you get catch with marijuana, bang, I think you do like life imprisonment.
Can you imagine that?
That's craziness.
If you violate a woman,
Yeah.
you get less than somebody who just smoked some weed.
Yeah, that's craziness.
You understand?
I'm saying, what law is this? Like, but
Yeah.
you know, it's not my country. I mean, Kenya, shout out to Kenyans, I shout out to Kenya, shout out to the protesters, and what was going on, doing the thing. You remind me of the Mano Manaro. Mano, what do you call that name, that word?
Which one?
the protest that was going on back in June and July?
Mandamano.
Yeah, mano mano.
That's another word for protest, yeah.
Oh, really?
Or like,
so mano mano mean
yeah,
protest in Swahili?
like coming together and
oh,
moving together.
mano
or
mano. So
something.
we'll learn the next word again.
Yeah.
You see, so all right, moving on. So I should say, if the government needs to put in ASHA laws,
Yeah.
like make it more
and of
drastic
course,
and
like,
serious.
why would you be needing to kill your sister, your mother, your lover?
True.
Why?
Is it most of these crimes that are here happening is women? Well, what about the part of the women kill the man? Because I heard about women taking man life. Kikuyu tribe, is it true?
Oh my God! I'm no comment.
No comment.
Because
I know people like to spread rumors, so I don't know.
Yeah,
People like to spread back in the days thing, right?
Yeah, it's not even like a. You can say, right? Obviously, there is those things that happen. Man kill woman, woman kill woman.
Yeah, it's a natural thing everywhere in the world.
Everybody kill
Even
everybody,
in Jamaica,
right?
I've seen that a lot.
Yes, but you see, what we're talking about is crazy numbers. You understand? Because normally there will be crime. That is like, I feel like crime is to nature, is nature to man.
True,
right?
true.
But there is numbers that are crazy. You can be having in a month about 10 women, 15 women killed.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
If it's like
and
one
the investigation
or two,
is what? What is this
you
causing this
understand?
death? What's causing the death
They
of
will say,
women?
first of all, I don't know, a lover found, I don't know this, I don't know that. You understand?
And there's so much police on the road. Because you look on the road, there's so much inspectors or private polices. I see them. And they're just like me and her.
Yeah.
But they're police, they're cops.
Yeah.
So how can they not clamp
wearing
down on this crime?
plain clothes. Yeah, but what I can say is, if you already see the signs that you are with a violent man, stop waiting until he kills you so that you leave.
that?
What are
You
you
that?
waiting for? He broke your
Yes,
leg
you hear
already. You know, like
It
what
goes so
are
drastic.
you're just waiting for the neck.
You don't even wait till they break your leg.
Leave.
Run. Jamaica, let's say, pack your things and go on. Yeah, man.
Leave.
That's a
Stop
go on.
waiting. Some of
You don't
these
need to
people
wait.
can be changed. You're the only
True.
one who can save yourself.
Save yourself. Take
Save
a
yourself.
female advice from next woman. A woman to woman. Take her advice. I'm a man can testify to that. When you see the violence,
Yeah.
cut.
Yeah.
Straight up. Alright then. Next topic. We're going into it. Pop, 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 pop. Okay then. Jamaica, the culture. What do you think about Jamaica, the culture?
Oh my God, I
Or
feel
the Caribbean culture and the Jamaican culture. So Jamaica is in the Caribbean, but more separated. Do you know anyone else in the Caribbean than Jamaica? I don't know. You know people? Okay.
Wow.
If you know friends, because just like someone asked me if you know anyone else in Africa than
in
Kenya,
Africa. Yeah, for
I can
sure.
say yes,
I
a lot
know,
of friends.
I know some people from other islands.
Okay then.
Yeah.
So I can say then, what do you think about the Caribbean? Or should I just ask you what do you think about Jamaicans? Because we're here. You come across me, I take you to the restaurant, meet my friends, shout out to my Jamaican friends, you know, Ramesh, Jump Tours Africa, PJ, you know, they come out to them in the YouTube channel soon. He's a fisher from Jamaica. He do a lot of the mushroom business, the bees business, the honey business, the fishing business. Shout out to TJ, you know, I'm virgin that. And David Mighty, shout out to David Mighty. You don't know him, my business, one of my business partner that we do business with. And a lot more friends can shout out to that's here as Jamaicans, but shout out to Ava, my sister, you know. Shout out to a lot
You
of you
already-
guys.
You're like Aluya on radio.
Really?
You're already sending greetings even before the video is
Yeah,
over.
man, shout out to the people, them, man, because the community is here. I just want people to know that the community is here. And you haven't met a lot of them, but you still met a few, maybe a few, a handful, or maybe 4 or 3, I don't remember. But anyways, as I say, what do you think about the Jamaican culture?
I feel
Because Jamaica is the only place in the Caribbean you know before.
Yeah. And also
Going to school, you only know about Jamaica
Yes, because of the music.
because of the music.
Yeah, so I can say Africa is a huge consumer of Jamaican music, from reggae to
True.
dancehall to
Soca.
raga to not really soca, but also soca, right? But the main ones is dancehall,
Reggae.
reggae, and raga, and something like that. So I can
Reggae
say,
and dancehall,
Yeah.
rock, roots reggae.
Yeah, roots. Yes.
Yeah, man,
To
shout out to the
roots,
roots.
to reggae.
Yeah. To the roots. So who would be your, if you should name 3 Jamaican artists, reggae,
Reggae.
or who's your top 5 Jamaican artists?
Top
If you don't
five.
remember 5, you can know 3. Because you know the song, but you might not know the names.
The name, yeah.
Or the songs, you can't tell me the songs.
Okay, so I can say, obviously, you know, Bob Marley's.
Yeah, man.
Queen of
Otherwise,
the
some Bob
Color.
Marley. 'Cause Bob Marley done. Take Bob Marley out of it. All right, Bob Marley one then.
All
one.
right.
Yes,
so
yeah,
from
one.
there is a busy.
Busy Signal.
Busy
Shout out to
Signal.
Busy Signal.
Yeah, conscience. Busy. Boom.
Conscience.
Boom.
Yeah, man. Conscience. Pick
So,
up yourself.
yeah,
Yeah, deal with it.
You can say, there's, oh my God, Alaine.
Oh, Alaine is a good artist.
There is this guy, Morgan Heritage.
Peter Morgan. You want
Colin-
to pass away?
Colin
R.I.P.
Buds.
Colin Buds.
Colin Buds.
man. They
there's-
know them?
Yes, they know them. I know a lot.
She do know them
actually.
because I heard she
know
was
like
singing.
10 or something.
She even know dancehall artists.
Yes, because let
Mm-hmm.
me tell you guys what you don't know. Us going to high school, all our high schools, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone born in the 80s, 90s, and you know, early 2000s, right?
Yes.
All of them grew up on reggae and dancehall.
That's the best music for them
That's
here.
it.
Because they
So that's
trend
how,
with that here.
that's how we know about Jamaican culture. We
And
might
those
not
music
know.
bring memories for you guys.
Yeah, we might not
Yeah.
even know about anything else. We even think that like the Caribbean is Jamaica. Do you
True,
understand?
true. Everyone think that. That's why I
Yeah.
say what you know about the Caribbean,
Yeah.
different from what you know about Jamaica.
Yeah.
But I just narrow it down because end of the day, it's all going to boil back down to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Because people here, they tell me that, yo, Jamaica is in the Caribbean. No, Caribbean is in Jamaica. I'm saying the Caribbean is in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I said, no, man, the Caribbean is the Caribbean. Jamaica is in the Caribbean with a lot more other Caribbean countries. But they must say, no, like I'm from there. They must say, no, you're wrong. You're wrong. Jamaica own the Caribbean. Jamaica is the Caribbean. We don't know these places. So I start name up flags, show the pictures of flags, and call the names. And they say, no, man, we don't know these countries. We don't know these countries. But if I show to the Caribbean countries like Trinidad and Tobago, St. Kitts, Bahamas, Dominica,
There's so
Republic,
many
Dominica.
islands. So many
Yeah, man,
islands.
Barbados,
Yeah, that contribute the Caribbean. But
Yeah, man.
honestly, what we think about the culture
St.
is-
Vincent and Antigua. Big up yourself. Yeah, man.
what we think about the culture, I think we just think it's like very free. You know, people like they love to have fun. They like to, and I think that's true because it's like it's islands, and I feel like the island culture is more of people dress very revealing and
Be
things like because
open.
it's warm. I think.
You have a choice to do what you want. You
Yes,
be
you have a
open.
choice. So that's how
No
we
one to
see
criticize you or judge you. Just be yourself.
it. Yes.
That's true. That's true. So,
Yeah.
shout out. So far, you respect Jamaicans.
We love the Caribbean. It's not
Alright.
even anything. We
Yeah.
love Jamaica.
So,
we
would you
love-
tell Jamaicans, tell more Jamaicans that they should come?
Oh, let me say this.
Mm-hmm.
You people are just as African as us.
Yes,
right?
the 6th region of Africa.
You understand? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You're just as African as us. We are just like a few generations from the people who used to know your
Yes,
parents.
true, true.
You know, we are all a few
Yes,
generations
yes.
ahead.
Yes,
right?
yes, you're right, you're right.
So all I can say is, you see him, look at him. He look African, right? 100%. You wouldn't
100%.
tell that
Wouldn't
he's
tell.
from somewhere else. You know, you would think
Yeah,
me
man.
and him, we are from Africa. So that's the
True.
same thing. We love.
You have a Caribbean look. You have a Caribbean look today. You have a Caribbean. Yeah, man, look on her good. Tell me, people, she have a Caribbean look. She's like she's from the Caribbean.
Oh,
You
really?
understand? But I don't know which Caribbean country could be resembled, but all of us the same. Just
Yeah.
to show you.
We all come from. We have the
we all
same
stand from the
roots.
same.
Yeah, we have the
is it.
same roots. So I would
So,
just
shout
say,
out.
welcome, guys. Welcome all of you in great numbers. It's amazing here. It's safe. You know,
Yeah, man.
it's developed. You
Yes.
have everything. You have the
Yes.
beach. You have the island. The islands. You have the inland experience. You have the
True.
rivers. You have the lakes. There is nothing
True.
that you would miss. And also
Nothing,
the culture,
nothing.
the people, the food, everything natural.
True, true.
Yeah.
So, would you go to Jamaica? Would you, or would you like to go to the Caribbean overall?
Yeah, I
Like,
think.
do you know like 3 Caribbean countries, including Jamaica?
Yeah.
Would you like to go? Okay, what's the name?
I think I would want to go to the Bahamas. I think just because I used
Bahamas?
to from
If you're
when
in the
I was
comment
a little
section,
child.
If you want to come to Bahamas, she'd like
Yeah,
to go.
yeah.
She's right here.
Yeah, Bahamas, Turks and Caicos.
Oh,
or
Turk and
something.
Caicos is nice too.
I don't know. It feels
Shout
like
out.
small. They're small, right?
Yeah, man, but it's nice over there, beaches
It's
and
nice.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Of
right.
course, Jamaica, yes.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
and
So
then
3.
this Oh, you said only 3.
No, you can stay next time if you want. Because the comment section, the people going to be watching.
Dominican Republic.
Shout out to Dominican Republic.
Yeah,
Pam, 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 pam.
Yeah, they're
man.
party people. I love that.
Yeah, man. Party people. Well, they do party, of course.
Yeah,
They're not
they
like Jamaicans or
yeah.
Trinidadians. Because, you know, people in Trinidad and Jamaica is a party central in the whole
Belize.
Caribbean.
Is Belize an island?
Yeah, man, Belize too.
Yeah,
Belize. Oh, she know a lot. That
Yeah.
means that this girl really educated herself about the Caribbean. So she in tune what's going on.
Of course.
But shout out to the Caribbean and everyone that's in the Caribbean. Okay, I see what's up. Next thing. Next question. What would you do since you're interested about Jamaica
Okay.
and stuff? Because people always ask me this question. Yo, is it true that Jamaica have a holiday? People smoke marijuana. People always ask that. Even you think about that?
Yeah. Tell me. I don't even know the answer. So.
Yeah, them always ask me that if there's a holiday in Jamaica that we smoke marijuana. No, there's no holiday in Jamaica for that. There should be a holiday though for Jamaica, like Weed Fest. They should have a Weed Fest. I haven't been in Jamaica for a few years now, so I don't think there's no Weed Fest going on right now. But
it's not legal, right?
well, weed?
Smoking it.
Yeah, man, you talk, say, well, blaze it.
But it's like, would you go to jail if you...
I don't smoke, guys. I don't smoke. But the people in Jamaica, yeah, man, them blaze it, man. People from all over the world go to Jamaica to smoke. You see, we know how to treat tourists. We know how to treat foreigners. When you leave from your country and come to Jamaica, you're supposed to feel welcome. Hospitality in Jamaica is the best. It's one of the best.
What do you think about hospitality here?
Here, hospitality here is okay. It's better. Well, Tanzania hospitality so far is good. You understand? You can be walking on the road and people calling you Karibuni, mean welcome, or welcome together, and sit down and eat with the strangers. We just see a pastor and they're eating and say, join me. Let's eat together. We're one. I never experienced that nowhere else. Not even in Kenya. But I like Kenyan people. But when it comes on to respect and manners and stuff like that, Tanzania be Kenyan that they have it more. They will just see you and call you. Yo, you could be drinking at a club.
They're more scared to be
I don't know if it's more scared. You know. I think they're just more westernized.
Call people and then they'll see. That's the thing, though. Like I feel like in the countryside of Kenya, you will get that, but in the city, like now Nairobi, everybody mind their own
different.
business.
Yeah, mind your own business is
Everybody
actually
mind their
good.
own business.
Because where I'm from is like that.
Yeah.
Mind your own business.
Yes, you mind your own business because you could be calling somebody and they have their own issues. They're like, oh, so you think I cannot afford food? That's why. You
but the
think
thing
you can call
that's the
me.
thing about Tanzania.
Yeah.
They don't think like that.
Yeah, they don't.
They're respectful. It's a culture thing.
Yeah.
When they're greeting you, like the kids, the young kids, you know, these days, kids just walk past you. Even here in Kenya, where I live, sometimes I see the kids on the road, they just walk past me. And sometimes you call to them, they don't even answer. You see, oh, these bumbuckler kids, and I say, my elder for them. Yeah. But children is children. But in Tanzania, the kids them will pass you. They will never pass you without saying shikamo. They greet you. Or when you pass the elders, you say shikamo. It's all about greetings. So it's a culture difference. You understand?
Yeah, for sure.
It's a culture difference. So what I'm going to ask you now is say, question is, would you like to go to Jamaica?
100%. I would
And
like
where
to
in
go
Jamaica
and
would you
visit.
like to go? If you know of anywhere in Jamaica, if you heard of anywhere in Jamaica that entices you, where in Jamaica would you like to go and visit and see?
Montego Bay.
Mobe.
Yeah, and then there's another one that's down just on the side. What's the next county? I don't know how you guys call them.
Kingston.
Kingston is all the way on the other side from
You stay down the side and outside.
this
yeah,
other,
Ocherius.
like from the airport in Montego Bay, right? Going down that side.
Which
the
side
other
you going?
Not
You can't go. You can't go to Anova side. But we know it's not Anova you're talking about. She must be talking about not Negril either. She must be talking about Ocherius.
I think so.
The sunset place to the sunset and the beach and stuff. Yes, Negril.
Yeah, it's Negril.
What about Ocherius?
I don't even know about that.
What? You know Ocherius? Well, everybody know Negril and Kingston and Montego Bay. But shout out to my people from Ocherius. I don't know. It's a dragonfly. Shout out to my peeps from Ocherius. Cause, are you afraid? Hey, she gets scared.
Oh, okay.
If you be brave to go to Kingston, you go to Jamaica if you be brave. Dragonfly can't scare you. Anyways, my people, when she come there, look out for her, take care of her. You understand? We don't want the video too long, which is already long.
Yeah.
But more wrap it up, but more ask our next question. You understand? I even want to ask that question because we don't want a controversy. We don't want no problem. So,
What question?
you sure you want me to ask the question there? All right then. What do you think about foreigners coming here and dating African ladies? What's your perspective of that? And what do you think about passport bros? So she forced me now. She said, "What question?"
Wow,
so
I
first,
didn't think it was that.
well, it could be worse.
But
this is Ricardo. Expect the unexpected when they come on to talking to me. You see it? So, what do you think about foreigners coming
dating
here?
Kenyan girls.
Yes.
I would say, I think as long as it's like with respect and you know with appreciation of
Yes.
each other's culture and respect, I think love is love. Right?
Love is love, for true.
Love is love, and nothing should
So
separate
people are meet people,
because,
people is meeting people and tender.
yeah.
So love is love.
If you even meet people here who are just foreigners who came in, then both of you are adults, and you like each other and thing and date, it's fine. What I can say though is what I sometimes find weird or bad. I feel sometimes is that either one, the foreigners are coming with the mentality of I want to taste African women. I've never had an African woman before. I don't know how they are like. I don't know this, right? So they're just here with the intention of like sex tourism. You understand? That's the one that I'm like, no, I don't think there's no way to stop it, but I'm really not for it. I wouldn't support it, right?
True.
Also the guys,
no one should be getting used. I understand
Yes,
that,
no
but it's
one
up to
should
the
be getting
females
used.
because it's what they want, because they know
Yeah.
these things just like how you talk about it. But yet still sometimes they put themselves out there because I gotta be honest with you, a lot of them want to taste foreigners, like taste an American or taste a Canadian or taste a Jamaican or
The
taste
way
someone
you're
from the
saying taste
country.
is so weird because it's not food.
No, well, she said it. You understand that is how I say that. So I'm not saying it's right. I'm not defending it. Very, very clear. I'm not defending that. And she's right what she's saying. I don't
Yeah.
want no one to come here and be using the females in Africa. We defend the females that's in Africa. We defend the ladies and black woman and child. We defend them. You see? So when you come on, Mama Africa, make people proud. So don't come with your baggage and don't come with your stress and your toxic behavior, your waste man mentality. Keep that wherever you are.
Yeah.
You understand?
Or even the ones that think that I can only put very minimal effort for an African woman, because I feel like all women are women and they deserve respect, right? Whether she's from Africa, the Caribbean, or whatever, right? And I feel like as a man, if you like a woman, go all the way with her, right?
Yeah, man,
Don't be
yeah,
like,
man.
no, this one, she's from Africa, she probably doesn't know a lot of things or this and that, so I just give her very little things, and things like that, like if you like
Treat
a
her
woman,
with
go
respect.
all the way, respect her,
True.
like her, treat her nicely.
So that's the
what I
advice.
can
That's
say.
the advice you give them, or what advice will you give to any guys that's coming here and want to date anyone that's in Africa?
Yes, first of all,
For the guys, them,
for the guys,
and then I
okay.
want advice
For the
we give for the ladies. Well, let's start with the guys.
with
Then.
the guys.
Yeah, that's a hot topic.
Oh my God!
What advice will you give to the foreigners that's coming here for the guys? No, the guys that's coming here for the ladies,
For the ladies,
or want to date, or
that
if
want
they're
to
not,
date or just want to have fun.
whatever art. Let me make it very easy. What advice would you give to anyone
Yeah,
that's coming to Africa
yeah.
and decide to start a relationship
Yeah.
or decide to date? It could be having fun date. Well, I don't know. What
Yeah.
advice would you give to
Ooh,
anyone?
okay. So I think
I don't think it's having fun
one-
though, but I think it's just dating.
I would say that when you're a foreigner coming here, just be prepared to be wowed, because there is everything. Women are beautiful. Women look good. Women eat healthy.
Facts.
Their skin is good. They
on.
have nice shapes and everything, right? You will find everything, right? So come prepared
She's right.
that you're going to have options and you're going to, be confused. That is one. Number two, I would say,
True.
once you find that lady,
And focus.
yeah, once you find that lady that you like, educate yourself on their culture. So because
Culture is a big difference, yes.
Because I've seen most of the foreigners who want to get serious with women here, they are a bit confused by the culture. There is, you want to get serious, there is all these things like dowry, going to meet parents, We have, most African countries have a process. right?
True.
So educate yourself a little bit, or ask her to tell you about it, so that at least you're not all the time, every time you guys go to the next stage, you're like, oh my god, I didn't know this, I didn't know this. At least
True.
educate yourself a little bit on that, so that you're not always shocked.
And you don't have to be bouncing from one to another.
Yes.
Because
Also,
you learn about the culture.
yeah.
The culture difference is a big thing here.
Yeah, be patient, take your time, learn things, meet people, interact with local people. People are amazing to meet. There's a lot of people who are willing to help you even where you don't think, you might even find somebody to help you. Right?
You never know.
You never know.
True.
Just don't be scared to interact with local
And
men.
and women here is very approachable,
Yeah.
Very approachable, easy. They're not like, hey, what's your name? They'll be like,
No, don't
what do you want my name for?
Yeah.
And they're like,
Yeah.
who are you? I look at your edge door and walk away or hiss their teeth. No,
Yeah.
they will say, hello, my name is
they would say
what's
hello.
your
They
name?
will-
Where are you
yeah.
from? Like, they're open. Like
They are
that.
willing to give you the benefit of the doubt.
Yes,
The only part
yes.
that
You
it goes
just
wrong.
prove yourself right.
Yeah, prove yourself. Like African women are not women who will be like, no, don't talk to me. No. As long as she likes you, for example, you're like her body type and things like that. She will not be like, no, don't talk to me. She will talk to you so that she can give you a chance to show her
And
who you are.
True. And I'm not saying you don't have gold digger here also, like everywhere else in the world, because you do have gold digger here, just like where you're coming
Anywhere.
from. So don't be naive.
Yeah.
I'm just like anywhere else.
Yeah.
Don't be naive, and jump in.
There's also women who will just see you and see, oh my god, this is a foreigner.
Yeah.
I hope he has extra money for me, or things.
Or what he
He's
can
really
do.
not even interested in you. Probably she has a whole relationship or even married, right? Like anywhere
True.
else in the world, right?
True,
So
true,
you
right.
also have to, meet people, yes, but also take your time. Don't rush things.
Take your
right?
time, yeah.
Yeah, and
True.
don't take advantage of African women. They are good
Don't
women.
do that. Don't
Yeah.
do that. So that's for all of the passport bros and for all of the ladies that's coming. Yeah, that's the advice.
And even the
ladies
women,
now, yeah.
Yeah, the women who are coming or the ones who are here. The
For
ones
those who's coming and those who's already here, what
Yeah.
advice you have to give to them?
The ones who are coming, I would literally say the same. Make friends with other women, right? Here, especially, even for me, I'm more easy to talk to, a woman than a man, right? So if you're a foreigner and you're a lady, don't be scared to talk to
Yeah,
other
if you interact
ladies.
with other ladies.
Yes, talk to other ladies.
Because
They will
that's how you
tell
learn.
That's how you learn. They will tell you, go here, don't go here.
Yeah, don't talk to this type of people and that type of people.
This type of people are
They'll let you know.
dangerous. Things like
Yeah.
that. Talk to them,
Just be open.
Try
It's not
to-
everyone is trying to hustle you.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, so
no,
sometimes you can talk to people and
Yeah.
then open up and you don't have to tell people your business,
Yeah.
but it's about being friends. And that's the thing about the West, A lot of people don't even know how to communicate.
Even
They
to
don't
make
know
friends, for
even how to make
friendship's sake.
friends. Yeah, they don't know how to come and
Yeah.
say hello. They don't know how to socialize. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
socialize. And then the men here, they will be good to you and everything, right? But as men anywhere else, you have to be careful, right? Don't just take what he say, look at what he does.
true.
That
That's right.
applies across the board.
Yeah, so the next question I want to ask is, if you should date someone, or there's someone in the comment section, or you meet someone that likes you or whatever, if you're single or not, I don't know. It's not my business. I don't care. What do you see into a guy? Does he have to be a foreigner? Can he be a local? Can it be anyone across the board? It doesn't matter. A man is a man. Like, what do you see? Or what are you looking for? Because these guys in the comment section are going to be like, yo, who the girl? Because sometimes I don't even comment, but they reach in my inbox. Yeah, so for those...
I am not looking, but I
Yes.
would say this. If the qualities that for me, I feel like they are like premium in a man, I think it's just, I would say generally, is a man that cares for his woman. Like a man that is worried, like, is my woman okay? Is she
Yes.
fine? How is she doing?
Yes. That's
how
premium.
is her job? How is this? Like a man who is genuinely concerned about his woman, right?
True.
If she's not okay, he's not okay, right?
True.
Like he's in tune with his woman. I don't like this nonchalant type of people. You know them? Oh, she didn't call me, I'm not calling her first.
True.
Right?
True.
She
Childish.
didn't text me, childish behavior, right?
Yeah.
I like people who are like very intentional. Like
True.
I am intentional, like I choose to be in a relationship with this girl. So
Yes.
for that reason, I choose to, whether she call me first or not, I will call her.
Make
You know,
effort. Whereas
make
as a
effort.
man, You make
Yes,
efforts to show
yes.
interest.
I will plan
Don't
things.
wait
I
until
will-
you get the girl
Yeah.
and then you drop all interest because you already get her. 'Cause you can end up lose
Yeah,
her,
yeah.
and then when it, them of a saying, the cow never know the use of his tail until he lose it. And trust me, some man don't know the use of a lady until he lose it, and,
Yeah.
a lady don't know the use
Yeah.
of a good man until she lose him.
Yeah.
So I understand what you're
Because
saying.
I feel like an intentional man, you will feel his love. He doesn't even need to say anything. You
Yes.
will feel it because he's very intentional with
Yes.
everything that he's doing
Yes.
and around you, right?
Good.
So I think that that's part of, you know, the most important thing. Like a very intentional man, you know, that's like very caring to his woman.
Very caring.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay, so I think we can wrap it up now. Yeah, man. So let's wrap up this video and get moving. So I would like to ask you where to find you, but she's going to give me her information and I can put it in the description.
Yes,
So-
but on Instagram, it's Mary Abigail.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Mary Abigail.
Yeah, Mary Abigail.
All right, then. So
and
you
then
can
the
look
rest
for her
in the description.
in the description. And remember, she's a journalist. So everything you're hearing is actually coming from her. You understand? The journalist.
No.
Can't go wrong. You understand? So, Mary, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me. Is it?
Guys, don't forget to watch our interview with
Yeah, man. Watch our interview.
Chef Ricardo.
I still
You
the
guys,
secret of make festival though.
yeah, yeah.
On her channel the first. I'm doing a cooking video. I have a lot of cooking video can drop, but I give her an exclusive one, like me working out, everything. You can't,
Everything. We've
you
been
can't even see
together
me
the whole day
the whole day.
until evening, where he's going to cook for us some amazing.
Well, me done cook for the rest of the day. I'm done cook now. I'm going to take it to the restaurant and make sure you show the guys them what it's like. But it's done now. So go on our channel to see more. You understand? So anyways, we're there, you know. One love Africa. Big up Kenya. Big up Nairobi. Big up the Yos, them. Jamrock. Boom! Viewers and subscribers. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah.
Yo, go on!